Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to find a specific word in Excel using formula. If you want to check if a specific word, for example in my case is apple, is inside cell A2, you need to use ISNUMBER combined with search or find. So for the case insensitive, no matters apple is lowercase or uppercase, you need to use this formula. Put the equal sign, type is number, open the bracket, type search and open the bracket, double quote and type the specific word. I do have apple, double quote, comma, space and select the cells and close the bracket and close the bracket to complete the formula, and drag the fill handle to apply the formula to the other rows. And here you can see that here is the true case, this is another true case, and here is the true case, the rest are the false. So for the case sensitive, find exact match like apple only. So for this you need to use the formula, put the equal sign, type ISNUMBER is number, open the bracket, type find, open the bracket, double quote and type the specific word, exact word, apple like, double quote, comma, space, select the cells, close the bracket and close the bracket to complete the formula. And now use the fill handle to apply formula to the other rows. And here you can see that only one true in that case. That is the exact match. If you need to know where in the text string the word starts, for the case insensitive, use this formula, put the equal sign, type search, open the bracket, double quote, type apple, double quote, comma, space and select the cells reference and close the bracket to complete the formula. So if the word is not found, these formulas returns as value error. So for the case sensitive, you need to put the equal sign, type find, open the bracket, double quote, type the exact word, double quote, comma, space and select the cells, close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can see that only this case is matching, exact matching. So I hope you understand how to find a specific word in Excel using formula. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.